Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So Ethereum, similar to Bitcoin here in this video, I really only want to focus on the lower time frame price action here in this midday update. Everything else was already explained in the previous video basically. The idea is that we topped here in a wave 1 on Thursday. Well, yesterday came down here in an A wave, moved up in a B wave, and then the idea was we go down. This was one possible trade setup, worked out for maybe a scalp trade, and then the idea was to get into this region down here. However, so far actually we didn't reach the target. I mean, we missed it by $1, which is $2, $3, which annoys me, but sometimes that's what it is, you know. Let me just double check that. Not that I did, you know, I make mistakes as well. Whoa. Don't know what. Okay, just realizing I might have made a mistake here. I don't know why. Didn't draw the fibs accurately enough. So okay, see, that's sometimes what happens, which annoys me even more. So actually we didn't miss target, but I told you the wrong target, so apologies for that. But either way, that gives me confidence at least that we could here be in a reversal. At least Bitcoin worked out. I promise to check the fibs better in the future. I don't know really why that happened, but okay, so Ethereum reacted perfectly to the 50% retracement and bounced up, you know. And either way, I mentioned to you in the previous video, as soon as we get above that trend line, it would be a first indication that a low is in. Now we had one fake out, unfortunately, but I have to assume now that this wave 5 of C of 2 is in. Bitcoin reached target, well, again Ethereum as well, but I gave you the inaccurate numbers, unfortunately. Now, okay, but let's assume wave 3 is now starting. This is still the preferred view as long as that 1560 level is holding, or 1575 is the 88.7 fib level. So as long as these levels are holding, the preferred view is that we get here a fifth wave extension, so that this fifth wave in green is going to be extended, and that this was a 1-2 setup, so we could be in the early stages of the third wave. If that is the case, then we have, that annoys me with that target. Anyway, if anybody entered anyway, it might be time to move up your stop loss, but the next setup will certainly come. So if we look at the 1-2 setup here, then the target for the third wave, and that's sort of the textbook target, would be 1850. Now, it could very well be that what we are putting in place here to the upside is only a so-called ending diagonal, which often happens in a fifth wave when the bulls get exhausted. So just to give you an indication how that could look like, it could become something like that. Basically an ascending wedge. Now, I don't really have any, these are completely made up lines now, but just to give you an idea how that could look like an ascending wedge or something, then you would not necessarily reach here the 1.618 extension, and the 1-to-1 ratio might be enough. That's at 1766. So I will place the wave 3 here for now, but then we take it from there when we get there. And at the moment, I have to assume that the wave 2 low was in, but if we drop below the the low, basically 1628 level again, then we have something different here, maybe a WXY pattern, and in the Y wave we've got an A wave, now a B wave, and then a C wave, and we have another chance here to maybe accumulate a bit lower in the support area all the way down to 1575. And that's sort of where we are currently. I did explain the higher degree time frame and price action in previous videos. Here it's just that the preference is still one more high, would be good. But if we break below it, we have to assume that this wave 5 was already finished here, because it has made a new high, and it could very well be that this finished the wave 5. At the moment, I view it as only the first wave of the fifth wave. So we need to be a bit flexible here, but as long as this 1-2 setup is holding, we can expect further extension in green wave 5. And then afterwards, we'll have a major decision point. Okay, that's my update about Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.